Well, hi, my name is Dante, and welcome to Dante's World.
What's Dante's World?
Dante's World is going to be my channel about all the things I do in my world.
And what do you do?
I play with Nerf guns, my parents own a gym, my dad teaches sword fighting, grappling, and wrestling. And I use aerial straps, and I play with Nerf guns, and I will be playing video games on the channel. And stay tuned and you will see lots of that.
All right, excellent. So what are you doing today?
I am doing the whipped cream challenge.
And what is the whipped cream challenge?
The whipped cream challenge is, first we're gonna be on a step stool.
Okay.
And you have to drop it from the step stool height.
Okay, and drop it into each other's
mouth.
mouth. And who are you doing this with?
My dad.
How'd you talk your dad into doing it? He's just a really cool dad?
Yeah, he's just a really cool dad.
All right, awesome. We'll get started in just a second.
We will also use a ladder.
Okay.
I don't know where it is.
Okay.
And you have to sit here. And after the ladder,
yep,
you have to start from there.
All the way up there. And what is this thing?
A fort.
This is your fort?
Yeah.
Who built it for you?
My parents, my uncles, my aunt, and my aunts.
Well, they're pretty cool aunts, uncles, and parents, I gotta tell you. All right, so we'll get your dad and get started in just a second.
Okay. And this is my dad.
That's your dad?
Yeah.
He's the one you talked into it?
Yeah.
All right.
What are we doing?
You have to drop it into my mouth.
Baby bird.
Challenge.
The baby bird challenge.
Like that?
That's good. Okay.
Now it's Dad's turn. It is the ladder challenge now. Here it goes.
Oh. How is that?
Now it's Dad's turn.
Oh, not even close.
Now for the castle shot.
It's raining. How'd that work for you, Dante? Let me see.
Now it's time for. Now it's my turn for revenge.
All right, let me back up.
Wait, there's more.
You haven't even hit his mouth yet. Nope, still haven't got his mouth. Nope. Nope. Oh, almost, almost. Well done.
In conclusion, best dad ever.